Okay, thank you, Jackson. We will begin our today's lesson, and on today's lesson, we want to learn about wiring devices. As we begin, please mute your mics. Kevin. Okay, the objectives for today's lesson is by the end of the lesson, you, the learners, are expected to define what a wiring device is. You're expected to list example of common wiring devices. And thirdly, you are expected to identify a switch. Okay, let's begin with the first objective, to define what a wiring device is. We can define a wiring device as any device used to control and to provide connection points for a low voltage outlet, lighting systems, and appliances. Proceeding, some common examples of wiring devices: we have switches, we have fuses or cutouts, we have ceiling rows that holds the center bulbs, we have lamp holders, we have wall plug or socket outlets. I believe you've interacted with some of these in your various areas. Let's define what a switch is. A switch is defined as a manually operated device used to make and break an electric circuit according to the requirements it's set to do. There's a picture of a switch there. The I represents the on state of a switch, and the 0 represents the binary off state of a switch. The switch symbol, common switch symbol, is this one you see here. This switch is commonly known as SPST, or a single pole, single throw switch that we discussed earlier. That's the common symbol that we know of a switch. Another type of switch is single pole double throw switch, where it has one input terminal with the switch bar on it and two output terminals. That's the single pole double throw switch. Moving forward, the third type of switch that we have is a double pole single throw switch. It has two input terminals and two output terminals. That's why it's called double pole. The input terminals is what we call poles, and the part that takes away the current is called throw, and it's double here too. Lastly, the type of switch that we know is a double pole double throw switch. This one has two input terminals and four output terminals. Okay, so as we wind up our lesson, we want to review what we have learned today. Anybody to answer, what did we say wiring devices are? Jackson. Okay, it seems like everyone is having a technical problem, so we'll end our lesson there and we'll proceed from there next time. Thank you all.